Students, today we are going to study Social Science Grade 7, Chapter 3, Government. You must have come across the word government in the newspapers, radio and TV. What is government? What functions does it perform and what is its importance in our lives? We will study about the government in this lesson. You must be aware that a country needs a government to make laws as per its constitution, takes decisions and implement them. For example, where should schools and roads be constructed? Should the rates of different commodities be increased or decreased? How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? Decisions such as these are usually taken by the government. Thus, the government performs a very important function. We come to know about the government's work through the media. Students, every country requires the government to take different decisions and to work for people. In every country, following the constitution, the government prepares laws, gets them implemented and does necessary amendments in them. Amendments means changes required as per the situations. Functions of the government. The government is like a managing committee. Usually, in a democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. The government also takes various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic conditions and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making low-priced food grains available through the ration shops, assistance during disasters and calamities, establishing educational institutions and hospitals, and runs services like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The government also maintains friendly relations with other countries. Students, the government is like a managing body. It runs the administration according to the wishes of the people. It does deeds of public welfare. It solves economic and social problems. It takes steps to improve economic condition of the country, holds programs or takes up projects to eliminate unemployment and poverty, and to improve education and health. It makes provisions for judiciary courts. It provides services like transport, post, railways, etc. to the people. Importance of the government. The government is necessary to ensure that the law is same for everyone. It frames laws and sees that it is implemented by the concerned authorities and the police. A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulations whenever there is a public gathering. The government thus plays a vital role in maintaining law and order and peace and also ensures the development of the nation. So students, the government is required to implement laws and rules equally to all the people. It forms laws and gets them implemented by officers, employees and also police department. It works to bring about peace and maintain law and order and also to enable the country's progress. So students, tell me, is it possible to administer the country without the government? Yes or no? And why? I'll tell you. No. Without government, administration of nation is not possible. Every nation needs government to take different decisions and to work accordingly. The government is the basic requirement for administration, framing laws according to constitution, executing them and making amendments in them is done by the government only. The government is required to maintain peace and law and order and to bring about progress in the country. Only the government can carry out good administration and can get the things done for people. The government is required to execute the laws framed by the government equally among all the people. Now students, I will tell you how is the country administered. After general elections, the president invites the leader of the party which has got majority votes in the elections. If sometimes the party has not got majority, it seeks support of other parties and jointly selects their leader to be the Prime Minister. Then the President appoints him to be the Prime Minister And with the recommendations from the Prime Minister, the President appoints other ministers. Prime Minister allots each of them a responsibility of one or more than one portfolios, and all the ministers carry out administration of the nation through civil service officials. The government at different levels. The government is responsible for providing various facilities in different fields. How does the government arrange for all this? India is a vast country. If the administration was centralized, many problems would arise and will cause inconvenience to the citizens will be inconvenienced. Therefore, our government works at different levels: local level, state level, and national level. Local level government is concerned with the affairs of village and cities. State level government deals with matters at the state level, while the government at the national level is responsible for work related to the entire nation. You have already studied about the local level and will learn about the state government in the next unit. In the next class, you will learn about the national government, that is the central government, union government. Students, in our country, the government acts at three levels: at local level, at state level, and at national level. Local level has to deal with a village or town or city, while state level has to deal with entire state, and national level has to deal with entire nation. The government and law. The government frames laws and they must be obeyed by all citizens. Law and order is very important for the proper functioning of the government. The government has the authority to make as well as implement laws. Let us take an example. You must have a ticket while traveling by train. If you are caught traveling without a ticket, you have to either pay a penalty or go to jail. Even though the government may work lawfully, in case citizens feel that laws are not being executed properly, they have the right to raise their voice or even go to court. The court can order the government to take appropriate measures. So students, everybody has to follow the laws made by the government. The government can function only with the help of laws. The government has power to make laws and also to get them implemented. The government can penalize the lawbreakers or may send them to jail. If laws are not practiced properly, people can go to the court. The court can order the government to take proper steps towards it.